Excuse me, sir. I see you're trying to reach that baking tray on the top shelf. Would you like me to give you a hand?
Oh, how kind of you. Indeed, I've been struggling with that bag of whole wheat flour. It's just a bit too high for my reach.
Of course. Let me get it for you. Is it this brown bag with the twine tie, sir?
That's the one. It's the type I use to make black bread.
Standing on tiptoe. Here you go, sir. Be careful, though. This bag is actually quite heavy.
Thank you so much. My back doesn't allow me to do heavy lifting or overextend myself much these days.
It's no trouble at all. Are you a baker or are you just buying ingredients for your family?
I'm planning to bake some small loaves for my grandchildren at home. My wife is feeling a bit under the weather, so I've taken over the kitchen duties.
I'm sure she'll be thrilled to see you making bread by hand. Do you need any other ingredients?
Let me check the list she wrote down. A bit of dry yeast, almonds, and some forest honey.
I remember the dry yeast is in the spice aisle right behind you, sir.
Oh my, I'm getting old, and my eyesight is failing me. I walked back and forth and didn't even notice it right there.
I get absent-minded too, sir. It's perfectly normal. Have you just moved to this neighborhood?
I've lived here since I was a young man. What about you? You look like a newcomer.
Yes, I just rented a house on the next street to be closer to my design studio.
That sounds like a fascinating job. You seem like a very energetic young lady.
Thank you, sir. I noticed the almonds are also quite far back on the shelf. Let me grab those for you as well.
That would be wonderful. I don't want to keep you for too long, though.
It's really no problem. Whoops! The honey jar next to it almost tipped over.
Careful. Are you okay?
I'm fine, sir. I caught it just in time. Luckily, the lid was on tight.
Hello, is everything all right over here?
Hi. We almost knocked over a honey jar because it was sitting too close to the edge. Could you please rearrange them?
Certainly, I'll take care of that right away. Mr. Miller, are you out on another inspection tour?
Shh. Just carry on with your work. Thank you for helping me and this young lady.
No problem at all. Have a great time shopping, you two. Mr. Miller, the olive oil you usually get is just around the corner to the left.
Thank you. Mr. Miller, do you know someone who works here?
Ah, I've been a loyal customer of this bakery for many years. You really are a kind girl, Lily.
Thank you, sir. Seeing you reminds me of my grandfather back home. I hope that whenever he needs help, there will be someone there for him, too.
Your heart is truly precious. I wish you the best of luck.
Thank you, sir. Take care. I'll head to the checkout now.
Goodbye, Lily. I hope to see you again soon.
Good morning. You've picked out some delicious-looking things today.
Yes. The products here are always so fresh and beautifully displayed.
I'm glad you're happy with them. Would you like an eco-friendly cloth bag for these?
I think I'll take one. My old bag is a bit overloaded today.
The store seems a bit livelier than usual today, don't you think?
I agree. The atmosphere is very cozy and everyone seems to be taking their time.
You're right. Actually, a special customer was just praising you a moment ago.
Oh, was it Mr. Miller?
Precisely. He just finished his checkout and left a note for you.
He's such a gentleman. I only helped him grab a few items.
To him, it wasn't just a few items. He said your kindness brightened his entire morning.
I'm just happy I could help. So, how much is my total?
Actually, I have a small announcement for you. You don't have to pay for any of these items.
I'm sorry? I don't quite understand.
The gentleman you helped earlier asked us to waive your entire bill.
That is incredibly generous, but I really can't accept such a large gift.
Perhaps you don't know this little secret. Mr. Miller is actually the founder of this bakery chain.
What? He's the owner of this store?
Yes. He occasionally visits undercover to check the quality of service and chat with customers.
I truly had no idea he was dressed so simply and spoke so warmly.
He has always valued human connection over material things. You've certainly earned his respect.
So, everything is really free today? That's hard to believe.
Mr. Miller's message was, kindness always deserves to be rewarded. Have a wonderful day.
Please give him my sincerest thanks. I'm truly touched.
I'll pass that along. See you again soon.
Yes, goodbye. Thank you so much.
Oh no. Why right now? Ben, stay right there. Don't run into the street, honey.
Is something wrong? Can I help you with anything?
Oh, my handbag strap just snapped. All the oranges and the milk cartons are rolling all over the street.
Don't worry. Let me pick them up for you. You just hold on to your little one.
Thank you so much. I'm so clumsy. I was in such a rush that I didn't even notice the strap was worn out.
It's okay. Leather bags can get brittle when they're old and exposed to heat.
I was rushing home to cook for the baby, so I just stuffed everything into one bag to be quick.
Just take a deep breath. Everything is still intact. It's just a bit of a mess.
I feel so terrible, trying to watch my son and making a mess of everything at the same time.
Don't be so hard on yourself. Being a mother is the hardest job in the world. Everyone has accidents.
You're so kind-hearted. You've really put my mind at ease.
Hey there, little Ben. Let's be superheroes and rescue these oranges, okay? 1 orange, 2 oranges. Look, that one is about to roll into the drain. I got it.
But now I don't have anything to carry all this home in. The strap is completely ruined.
I just bought a new cloth bag at the bakery. Why don't you use it?
Oh no, I can't. You just bought it. I can't take your things.
Please take it. It's a gift. My house is right around the corner. I can just run back and get another one.
Are you sure? I feel so bad.
I'm absolutely sure. The important thing is that you and the baby get home safely and in time for dinner.
I'm so lucky I ran into you. You're a real lifesaver for me and my son.
It's nothing, really. Helping you makes me happy, too.
The world needs more people like you. I'll never forget your kindness.
You're far too kind. You should head home now before it starts raining. Goodbye to you and the little one.
Thank you once again. I hope you have a very happy day. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Take care.